Welcome to this Business Spotlight.
Today, we're zooming in on a local law office right here in Aggieland.
That's right, the law office of Donnie Andreski, PC, serving Bryan College Station, Texas.
And we're doing something a little different. We're focusing purely on the positive feedback, specifically from public Google reviews.
Exactly. We want to see what clients are saying, what services stand out, based just on those positive experiences they've shared.
It gives you a real ground-level view, doesn't it? What people actually valued.
Okay, so let's lay it out. The firm's in College Station, Texas, and one thing that jumps out is they only do criminal defense.
Right. Not dabbling here and there, just focused.
Which suggests, real expertise in that area. They also mentioned 24/7 representation.
Mm-hmm. And free initial consultations. That's pretty key for accessibility.
Absolutely. Makes it easier to take that first step. And just for anyone listening who might need it, the number is 979-356-3766.
So that focus on criminal defense, it covers a lot of ground. We're talking things like DUI, DWI cases.
Right, which are unfortunately common. And assault cases, too.
Yeah, things like reckless injury, threats, or even offensive contact.
They also handle expunctions and non-disclosures. That's a big deal for people wanting to clear their record.
Huge. It can really change someone's future. Then there's drug offenses, possession, manufacturing, delivery, the whole range.
And theft crimes, like taking property, robbery, burglary. Plus, they deal with the very serious area of sex offense cases.
So it's a comprehensive service list within that criminal defense specialty serving the Aggieland community.
Okay, so turning to what clients actually say in these positive reviews, what themes pop up?
Well, one thing you see again and again is professionalism and responsiveness.
Ah, okay. Like being easy to reach.
Exactly. Multiple people mentioned feeling confidence right from the start. That first impression seems really important.
I bet. When you're in a stressful situation, that's huge. What about results?
Oh, yeah. That's another major point. Lots of gratitude for achieving, favorable outcome.
Like getting charges reduced or dismissed?
Could be. One reviewer, actually someone who admitted they were posting supper late, talked about walking free after finishing probation early. Something they said was pretty rare, like only a 5% chance kind of thing.
Wow. That's a powerful story.
Definitely highlights the impact. But it wasn't just about the wins. Communication came up a lot, too.
How so?
People appreciated that Donnie was straightforward. Told them the best and worst case scenarios, kept it real.
No sugarcoating then.
Seems like it. One person said he explained my options and set realistic expectations. That builds trust,
Absolutely. Knowing where you stand. What about his, knowledge and experience?
That's consistently praised. Words like knowledgeable, excellent advocate. Someone who felt completely lost years ago said Donnie helped them navigate everything.
Guiding them through the system. That's invaluable.
And dedication, people felt the cost was worth it, that he really went the extra mile, even when things maybe looked pretty grim.
We're really fighting for them.
Yeah, that sense of advocacy comes through. And related to that, honesty and trustworthiness are mentioned repeatedly.
Just flat out calling him honest and trustworthy.
Mm-hmm. Multiple times. One review literally says, if you're looking for an outstanding, honest lawyer, Donnie Andreski is your man. Pretty direct.
Can't get much clearer than that.
And it seems that positive reputation spreads. A local guide reviewer mentioned hearing good things from one loved one, then reaching out for another family member.
Oh, interesting. Word of mouth.
Yeah, and they noted how astoundingly fast the help was, the honesty, the knowledge, and feeling like helping was the priority, not just, the money.
That says a lot. We also saw someone mention hiring him as the second attorney for their college kid.
Right. And finding him effective, that suggests he can maybe step in and make a difference, even if things didn't start well elsewhere.
It's not just the legal skill, is it? Sometimes it's the approach.
Exactly. And that comes through in comments about kindness and understanding, too.
People felt comfortable.
Yeah. One client specifically said, very kind and understanding, and prompt with updates. Another mentioned his kind and gentle manner, and even his soothing voice made them feel confident.
That personal touch matters so much in difficult times.
It really does. Then there's thoroughness and promptness. Someone from 4 years back called him very thorough and prompt, explaining options, setting expectations, getting the expected result.
Consistent themes here. Clear communication, realistic expectations, thorough work.
Mm-hmm. Making the process comfortable, making people feel like he'd fight for them, being helpful, responsive, knowledgeable, honest during stressful times. Just great experience, very helpful. It's a very consistent picture from these positive reviews.
So what's behind this? Is there something in his background that might explain this consistent feedback?
Well, it's interesting you ask. His website mentions something quite unique. He was a police officer for over 20 years.
Oh, really? With College Station PD?
Yeah, exactly. Detective, sergeant, even lieutenant overseeing criminal investigations.
Wow. Okay, that's that's definitely different.
It is. It means he's seen the whole process from the other side. He knows how law enforcement builds cases.
That's going to be a huge advantage, right?
Yeah.
Anticipating the prosecution's moves.
The website actually mentions that specifically his ability to anticipate strategies. It's a unique perspective to bring to criminal defense.
Plus, he has local roots. Texas A&M grad, South Texas College of Law, knows the area.
Right. And that accessibility theme we saw in the reviews, it's echoed by the firm emphasizing 200/7 availability.
And those free consultations we mentioned. Makes it easier for folks in Aggieland to reach out.
It seems geared towards ensuring people get the representation they deserve, as their site says. And the positive reviews suggest they're often hitting that mark.
So, wrapping this up, looking at these positive Google reviews for the law office of Donnie Andreski, PC, here in Bryan College Station, the big takeaways seem to be professionalism, responsiveness, getting good results.
Clear, honest communication, solid knowledge, real dedication, and just being trustworthy and supportive. That experience as a police officer likely plays a big role, too.
Yeah, it really paints a picture. So if you're in the Aggieland area, facing a legal issue, and looking for someone experienced in criminal defense,
This feedback suggests the law office of Donnie Andreski is definitely one to consider.
you can learn more. Schedule that free consultation by calling 979-356-3766.
Or check out their website.
That number again is 979-356-3766. It's been interesting seeing a business through the lens of its happy clients.
It really has. Gives you a sense of the real-world impact.
Well, thank you for joining us for this Business Spotlight.